Hi guys, hope you all are doing pretty well. So in this video, I'm going to walk you around my newly launched web security platform, the BlackLabs. So to get in here, you have to register first, just provide all the required details and make sure to provide an real email address or an email address which you have access to because you will be getting your credentials, the username and password back at this email address only. Yeah, you cannot create your own username and password in this platform because of some security reasons. Yeah, so after you get your credential in the email, you just log in here using those that username and password. I will log in using mine. So yeah, I'm at the home page or landing page, you can say. So as you can see, there are a lot of labs like at this moment, but I'm sorry to say only the SQL injection labs are accessible. But I promise I will be adding all of these lab very soon. And I will be honest with you, like developing a single lab takes a lot of time, but I will try to add this as soon as possible. And yeah, as you can see, there are labs of different difficulties for beginner and advanced users. And once you click on a lab, you will get this sort of page, and here is a description of the lab, which will tell you what you have to do to solve the lab and how much time you're getting to solve the lab. Yeah, so this was pretty much it. um Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video, and stay tuned. I will be adding another video very soon. Most probably I will be just solving one of these labs, so yeah, tuned for that. And thank you, and I would love to hear from you about this lab, like how was your experience, and any sort of feedback which will help me to improve this platform. Thanks a lot.